करो, बोलते बोलते थक चुका हूँ. Early, middle, late. Understood? In this one we have seen late Archean to early. It is, I said, that which rock system? Yes, Dharwad. Which rock system can? बोला तो करो. Dharwad rock system. And then early ये बोला था ना मैंने, late Archean to early Proterozoic. अच्छा, late Archean to early Proterozoic Dharwad. Early Proterozoic it is Aravali, Dharwad. क्या बोल रहा हूँ, ताकत नहीं है मेरे अंदर, मेरी बात गुंजती रहती है. सो अर्ली टू लेट प्रोटेरोजोइक क्या बना? हाँ, सॉरी, फिर लेट आर्कियन टू अर्ली प्रोटेरोजोइक क्या बना? ईस्टर्न घाट, बुंदेलखंड, बघेलखंड. एंड अर्ली प्रोटेरोजोइक धारवाड़. अर्ली टू मिडिल प्रोटेरोजोइक समझ में आ गया ना? मैं बोलना नहीं चाह रहा, बोल देता हूँ यार, रिवीजन ज्यादा जरूरी होता है, थोड़ा सा एनर्जेटिक हो जाऊंगा. Early and so late Archean to early Proterozoic, it is, I said, that Eastern Ghat, Bundelkhand, Baghelkhand is. Therefore, thereafter we have seen early Proterozoic in the early Dharwad rock system which has been formed. You know that is in a sedimentary metamorphized. Early to middle Proterozoic we have been able to see. मेरी आवाज ज्यादा गूंज रही है. Early to middle it is an Aravali, and middle to late Proterozoic Kodappa, and I said Vindhya. That is in a Purana rock system also. Understood? And we have been able to see what is in the Archean, and then Archean if I am talking about in India, and then which are the Archean in India? I said that Bengalese, the whole 1/3, 2/3 याद हो गया ना, 1/3, 2/3, and then Bengalese, Bundelkhand and Nilgiris, Javedi, Sevrai and all. Thereafter we have been able to see there is an, I said, Dharwad. Dharwad कब बना? इसी Archean नीस के टूटने से in the sedimentary metamorphized. अब क्वालिटी धीरे धीरे डिक्रीज होते जाएगी इसके बाद, धारवाड़ के बाद. अब धारवाड़, and we have been able to see that in the champion series, Kolar Goldfield and then Hutti Goldfield in the Raichur, and then till I said the Anandpur and all, Champaner, then Closepate, Chilpi, and then iron ore series and Singhbhum, Kyunjhar, Mayurbhanj, and then Sundargarh, and then we have been able to see Kondolite series, southern Odisha and northern Andhra, then Rialo series, and Alwar to Delhi to Alwar, that Makran and Bhagwanpur, and then Sakoli series, it is in a Bundelkhand, and then Bundelkhand, that is, I said, that diamond and all, and then Saucer series, it is, I said, that Vidarbha region, iron ore, tungsten, manganese and all. So we have been able to see this one. Thereafter we have seen the Kodappa series, and Kodappa series is 1500 se start hua. It is little late. And again it is an Archean which is depositing, but it has taken less time to get, or what is converting into better quality, और अभी हम लोग निकालने लग गए. So Papghani series नीचे में देखेंगे, Cheyar series, और thereafter we have been able to see Nandyal में Nallamalla, and then Krishna Valley series, Raipur, Bhilwara in the Bundelkhand, Gwalior west of Bundelkhand, and then we have seen Rialo. एंड देन हम लोग देखेंगे यदि इफ रायपुर वगैरह में जाओगे ना तो यहाँ पे 4000-60,000 मीटर का भी डेप्थ का सेडिमेंट्री डिपॉजिट है, और कुछ अच्छी क्वालिटी बिलो है, वहां से हम लोग निकाल नहीं पा रहे हैं. आपको ही पता है कि सबसे पहले कौन डिपॉजिट हुआ होगा? सबसे डेप्थ वाला. यस और ना? सो डेप्थ वाला वी कैन नॉट बी एबल टू एक्सट्रैक्ट. 6000 मीटर से कौन निकालने जाएगा? जितने का भगवान नहीं उतने का झुंझुन्ना. सो वन वर्ड इज देयर के आप 100 रुपए की चीज निकाल रहे हो और निकालने में लगा दिया 1000 रुपए. So it will not be better to extract. When the technology will be there, then we'll think of extracting from the 6 kilometer depth. Thereafter we have been able to see Kadigi series in the Bijapur of Maharashtra, and then Penganga, which one I said that it is Pakhel series. Then Vindhyan series between the Great Boundary Fault and the Eastern Ghat, transgression of the sea, sandstones, there is a red sandstone, then there is a gemstones, limestones, marble, dolomite, and all these things are there. And then it is from the Great and then Chittorgarh to Sasaram, It has been in the form of Bhandir, Bijwar, Melan and Kaimur and Semri series, Rewa to Jabalpur. And then we have seen in the Rialo Alwar के पास देखेंगे वहाँ पर अजबगढ़, and in the Hema Malni in Jodhpur, Malni series, and Kurnool and Bhima. Kurnool district in Andhra, and Bhima it is, I said that Vishwanai, Gulbarga and Bijapur. Then we have been able to see after that यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने पुराना रॉक सिस्टम फिनिश कर दिया, कुडप्पा एंड विंध्या 1200 to 600 विंध्या. Thereafter we have been able to see Dravidian, and Dravidian जो होता है 600 to 300, that is in a Paleozoic के अंदर में, Cambrian, Ordovician, Silurian and then Devonian. And in this one we have seen that it is not in the south but it is the north deposits are there. Where the rocks are? These are in the what is in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, and something in the northeast and the Jammu and Kashmir. I said that Pripanjal range, uske upar mein Leader Valley, and then in the Himachal Pradesh there is a Kangra, Chamba, Kullu, Shimla and above it is Lahaul Spiti, Uttarakhand, Garhwal and Kumaon. And then we have been able to see northeast. और जैसे आप लोग डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाला मैपिंग वाला कर लोगे तो ये जो मैं बातें बोलता हूँ ना वो दिखता है ऐसे ऐसे. If and when you will do the districts, whole districts of India. And क्या था? That is okay, northeast. So we have been finished. What is a Dravidian rock system? And after that Aryan comes. Aryan has been divided into what? It is in a Gondwana system, Gondwana groups and tertiary. And Gondwana groups two division. There is a Gondwana rock and Deccan trap. Understood it? And then Aryan में first Gondwana system, Permo-Carboniferous world में जितना भी 300 million years ago whatever the deposits has been taken place in the world, that is when I said that Gondwana system. And Gondwana groups में Deccan what is Gondwana coal and Deccan trap. And we have been able to see in this one, I said that Rajmal series, there is also Panchet, Damuda, Barakar, and then we have been able to see, I said that Betul series and then Talchet series, different kind of series. And thereafter Deccan trap 70 million years ago, and our Deccan Kodavana coal 200 million से बना था. इसीलिए bituminous coal है, और जो भी 300 million years has been formed, it is what I said that anthracite quality is more. In India there is ना, इसीलिए हिमालय में भी कभी कभी जाओगे तो आपको anthracite coal मिलेगा, क्योंकि वहाँ पर अभी मैंने बताया कि Dravidian का है, yes or not. So you can be able to get the coal of anthracite in the Jammu and Kashmir. वहाँ पे मिल रहा है, समझ में आ गया हुआ है. So some coal deposits of 300 million जो 600 से 300 तो उस समय वहाँ पर भी अवेलेबल है. Some anthracite coal है, सर ने बताया था टर्सरी कोल है वहाँ पे केवल. So एक टर्सरी कोल भी होता है जो आप लोग बाद में पढ़ेंगे. So we have been able to see this one. I said Gondwana coal and Deccan trap 70 million years. And then tertiary में Himalayan formation. So we have finished with the rock system. अब समझ में आ गया? So this is your world geological time scale and all.